Next, a former pupil groomed by paedophile head teacher Neil Foden says the findings of a new child practice review are shocking, devastating and hard-hitting. The report, called Our Bravery Brought Justice, examined how Foden was able to abuse pupils while working at schools in North Wales. Jo, not her real name, told investigators she was failed by the very people meant to protect her. She said concerns from teachers and other agencies about Foden's behaviour were ignored, allowing him to continue. The review found warnings were repeatedly missed and that senior staff at Gwynedd School failed to act. Other families have also described being targeted or intimidated after raising complaints. One former staff member said Foden bullied colleagues and created a culture of fear. More adults in Great Britain now vape than smoke, according to new figures from the Office for National Statistics. About 5.4 million people use vapes daily or occasionally, compared with 4.9 million who smoke cigarettes. Daily vaping is most common amongst 25 to 49-year-olds, particularly women. Health experts say vaping carries far fewer risks than smoking, but warn it's not harmless and should never be used by children or non-smokers. The charity Action on Smoking and Health says the fall in cigarette use is good news, but many smokers remain trapped in addiction. Government plans under the Tobacco and Vapes Bill aim to restrict flavours, packaging and nicotine strength to protect young people. Marks & Spencer's profits have fallen sharply after a major cyber attack earlier this year. The retailer says the incident cut online sales by around 40% and cost £136 million in total. The company also faced higher staff costs following the national insurance rise in April. Despite the setback, bosses say shops and websites are now back to normal and profits should recover by the end of the financial year. And new research shows more than half of home buyers and sellers have seen a property chain collapse, costing time, money and peace of mind. The study by mortgage lender Together found 54% have lost purchases or sales when another deal in the chain fell through. Many movers reported paying out on surveys and legal fees that couldn't be recovered. Almost 2 in 5 say they've had it happen more than once, while 1 in 5 walked away from buying altogether. Banks and housing experts say the complex home buying system is outdated and in need of reform.